Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna show you the tool that I currently using to help me use multiple accounts to mass follow on Twitter. So here you can see on the screen, this is the tool that I currently using. So first is the account management function. So in this function you can add and manage a limited Twitter account that you want. Okay, so first to mass follow on Twitter, I will need to create some username that I want to follow. I will take this username, I will copy it, and I will go to follow function, and in here you can choose custom follow, follow by keyword or unfollow, and I will choose custom follow, and after that I will select the account that I want to go to follow, and I will set up the basic configuration. So first is a breakable time situation. I will set from 5 to 10 seconds, and I will enter the username in here, and you can enter many username that you want, and each username is aligned. After that, you can set up a number username each account will follow, and you can choose interaction after following, like this. And after everything set up, I just need to press start, let the tool go to follow for me. So here you can see the process is running, the success count, the error count is running in the tool. Okay, so here you can see the tool is successful running, and so basically just show you the tool that I currently using to help me use multiple accounts to mass follow on Twitter. Thanks so much for watching my video. If you need this tool or more information, you can contact me my Telegram, WhatsApp, and don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel to see more video about automation tool.